First, make a rectangle like this. Then go here. Set the angle to 0 degrees and reverse it. Now, hold Alt, drag the rectangle, and copy-paste it until the white space is filled. After that, go to File, click Save As, and choose Save on Computer. Save it as a PSD file. Give it any name you like and click Save. Next, open your photo to apply the glass effect. Select the photo layer, go to Filter Gallery, then open the Distort menu and choose Glass. Now, click Load Texture, select the file we just made, and hit Open. Finally, copy my settings, and that's how you create this stunning glass effect in Photoshop. Super simple, but it gives your design a professional, eye-catching look. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick Photoshop and Illustrator tips, and drop a comment if you want me to cover your favorite effects next.